Welcome back everyone. Today we'll be making chicken skewers. So let's get started. For the process, we are going to take a chicken breast and cut it into cubes. After adding them to a bowl, we'll add a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of paprika, some parsley, a teaspoon of garlic powder and some black pepper, and a teaspoon of olive oil. You can adjust the spices as per your taste. We'll mix all these well. Next, we'll squeeze a lemon to the chicken pieces and continue to mixing it. Now, we'll assemble the chicken on skewers and put them in an air fryer. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare our butter glaze. We'll start by taking some butter in a heated pan and add some olive oil as well. As the butter is melting, we'll add a tablespoon of garlic paste to it. We'll get back to our frying chicken and add a bunch of cheese on top of it. After that, we'll add a pinch of oregano to the butter mixture, some fresh coriander, and a pinch of parsley. You can adjust them as per your taste. After that, we'll plate out our air-fried chicken skewers and glaze them with prepared butter. And just like that, our juicy chicken skewers are ready. We'll serve them with some rice, and I would recommend trying this recipe. See you in the next video. Until then, you can check out some more amazing recipes